Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting the iPhone to your computer and opening Finder or iTunes. This gives the device a communication channel. Once done, force a restart. Press and quickly release volume up, press and quickly release volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. You do this because recovery mode can be cleared by a clean reboot when no firmware update is required. Make sure the cable stays connected during the reboot. You'll see Finder or iTunes detect an iPhone in recovery mode. Choose Update first to reinstall iOS without erasing data. If update stalls or fails, you must select Restore, which wipes the device but resolves corrupted system files. While the software runs, watch for progress bars and messages. Interruptions can leave the phone stuck. Make sure to keep the computer awake and the cable undisturbed. Once the operation completes, the device will restart and should boot normally. You finish by completing the on-screen setup or restoring from your backup if you chose Restore. This gets your apps and data back. If the phone remains in recovery mode after repeated attempts, change the cable and USB port or use a different Mac or PC to rule out host issues. If hardware faults are suspected, like a failing storage chip or logic board, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different computer before assuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.